News trickling in now, coming in as far as the pit stop of the Gandhi siblings in Ayodhya is concerned. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has now come out and lashed out at the Congress party, and both as Rahul and Priyanka, going on to question why they want to visit Ayodhya and the Ram temple now, when despite an invitation for the Pran Pratishtha ceremony, the Congress decided to snub it. Isn't this hypocrisy, is what the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister has now asked.
मैंने सुना है कि भाई और बहन दोनों अयोध्या दर्शन करने के लिए जाना चाहते हैं। जब इनकी सरकार थी तब कहते थे कि राम तो हुए ही नहीं। क्या कहते थे? राम हुए ही नहीं। और जब देश की जनता जनार्दन के संघर्ष के फलस्वरूप माननीय उच्चतम न्यायालय के फैसले के क्रम में मोदी जी के प्रयास से आपके एक एक वोट की कीमत ने अयोध्या में रामलला को फिर से विराजमान कर दिया है और मंदिर भव्य बन गया है। अब कहते हैं राम तो सबके हैं। देखो ना इनके दोहरे चरित्र को। पहले कहते थे राम हुए ही नहीं, अब कहते हैं राम तो सबके हैं। बहन और भाइयों, इन पे विश्वास मत करना, कभी विश्वास मत करना। ये लोग धोखा देंगे। जब भी इनको अवसर मिलेगा ये लोग धोखा देंगे।
Arun Dhanta, my colleague, now joining us, getting us more perspective. Arun, this comes at a time when there is buzz of a pit stop that's being made by Priyanka and Rahul Gandhi in Ayodhya before they go towards Amethi or Raebareli. That's when we have the UP Chief Minister coming out and slamming and questioning the double standards of the Congress party.
Well, that's right, and we just heard Yogi Adityanath speaking that these are the same people who were against the Ram temple. In fact, they raised questions on the very existence of Lord Ram, and now both Priyanka Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, when planning to go to Ram temple, is something Yogi Adityanath saying that these people can once again betray, and now they are in fact saying Ram sabke hain. And in fact, he's also goes on to say that when everybody was invited for that consecration ceremony in Ayodhya, these people were not ready to visit, and now they are going there. And in fact, this is something which we had seen even in the past, the soft Hindutva which Congress party had tried to play. In fact, Rahul Gandhi in the past talked about his Janeu, that he wears Janeu, all these things. And now once again, in Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi, as we are given to understand, will visit Ram temple in Ayodhya. And of course, today Kerala's elections are over, and perhaps we may see Rahul Gandhi or Priyanka Gandhi perhaps contesting Lok Sabha election, either of the seats. And so therefore now the focus will be on these two seats, Amethi and Raebareli. Perhaps that's the reason why people are expecting that if they are going there, they may take blessings, and perhaps post that some announcement comes from the Congress party's camp.
Right, Arun, thank you so much for getting us the latest on that.